Changing your payout method on CrowdSpring is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you update your payment preferences successfully. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your CrowdSpring account by entering your username and password on the login page. Make sure you have your credentials ready. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option, usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to access your account details. Step 3. Select payout methods. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use ASRock to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now is honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your payment information. Choose the payout method you wish to change. You can add a new payment method or edit an existing one. Enter the required information accurately to ensure successful transactions. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your payout method, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page and click it to confirm your new payment preferences. By following these steps, you can easily change your payout method on CrowdSpring. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to their support team for assistance.